In this clip, you're going to see me cutting up pieces of paper, painted, monoprinted paper, and moving them around the piece to see what feels right. Is it on the outside, on the inside? Is that shape correct? And a lot of this is intuitive. You just arrive at a place and it feels good. And some of it is really technical and academic. So I try to include in my teaching a bit of both. So it's meditative, intuitive, as well as some basic elements of composition that I've understood so well through my years of practicing as an artist. Here I am trying to balance this piece because it feels a little like it's floating. So by adding those dark pieces at the bottom, I'm creating an anchor, and I feel like that is more effective in allowing the eye to move around the piece.